overspray on this sucker. Well, here, look at this. This is the other one. Just your normal. That's what they all look like after. Well, this is a 2006. So that's what they all look like after 11 years. 11 years. That is a remarkable difference. At first, I have to take the overspray off of the vent here, which is kind of difficult because this is a very dry piece. So anything like paint is going to stick to it really good. Now I'm going to polish it. Take the buffer. Almost there, just about. Right. There's your finished product. Look at that. That is a world of difference from what it was just about 5 minutes ago. I know I'd love to have this done in my vehicle if I had a 2006 Chevy Yukon. That finish. I mean, I know it's an older vehicle, but I'm telling you, when I say I'll polish every piece of the vehicle, I don't care how old it is, how new it is, it's gonna get the same treatment, whether you're a tractor, a boat, a car, Harley, whatever. Alright. Beautiful. Okay, so I got this little piece here. It's just a door hinge, but you see how dry it is? It's just normal. It's got a lot of overspray on it. You see this one right here, how dry it is? That looks awesome. There's another one. Opposed to that. And you can have average, normal, or you can have sweet, clean, beautiful. This is the other side. Polished this, beautiful. But what I did is I polished these. Now that looks like it was clear coated. In fact, you can see my image in it. And this one too. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. I ain't quite done, but that looks pretty good. It's finished product. It's perfect. All this has been polished. Here. Look at that. That's nice. Polish this, of course. You know, polish these. I mean, that looks like they were clear coated. No reason for it not to look nice just because it's a tractor. Polished all this. No one does that. Overspray removal. Look at that. That is really sweet. All through here. It's all done. Again, polish these. They look really nice. Everything, this has been, you know, totally sweet. Perfection. All the glass has been done. Nice. Perfect. Right. Paint overspray removed from this here vehicle, tractor, or whatever. Alright. This one is a John Deere. Now, it's all scratched up. You know, it's really faded. Probably several years old. Yeah, she needs a good polish. Look at that. No, that's a trade-in is what it is, so they just wanted to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. A little bit. So now we're going to polish this. Polish this here, half of this fender. Check this out. So that is how it looked before. Do that. Alright, I just got through buffing this fender here. Look at that polish job right there. No other company's going to do this because they don't use machinery. Look at that finish. Now let's compare it to the other side. Look at that dead paint. Awesome looking, restored. Years of oxidation. You can tell right there where I polished that, and I polished that piece. But yeah, that's just what this tractor is. Dude, bad too. Yeah, I've washed the pads though. You can wash them. Alright, this piece here, this fender piece has been polished. I mean, seriously, there's no way you could do that by hand. When overspray shops say we don't use any machinery and all that, that's just code for the bare minimum work is what they're going to give you. Wash it, wax it, clay it, wipe it off. No one's going to ever polish anything like this. Look at that. This tractor's an old one too, several years old.